Hi folks, just a quick update on the app. Firstly, thank you so much for everybody who's downloaded it. The response so far has been phenomenal. We've had downloads from all over the world. A few questions have come through about the functionality, so I just want to clear up that in this short video. So, going into the Time to Play app, the first screen you're going to get is going to be this one. Okay, so that's got the tracks you can download. So, we click on one of the tracks, download that, tap again, and the next screen we see is this one. Now when we get to this screen, plug your headphones in, okay? That's the first thing you need to do, okay? Because if you click on the microphone button, this one here, without your headphones in, it'll just feed back. So headphones in, microphone button clicked on. Okay, once you've done that, swipe left to get the other effects. The first page is the EQ page. Okay, now this is to change the sound of your drum kit in the room coming through the microphone to make it sound as good as possible. So you can play about with the different EQ sliders and tailor the sound of your kit in your room to sound great in your ears. Okay. Next, if you want to have a bit of fun with some effects, you can swipe over to the left again and you've got reverb, loads of different room sounds in there that you can pick between. Then you've got distortion, which is great, add a bit of crunch, just have a bit of fun with that one. And you've also got delay, so you can play about with some Stuart Copeland-esque grooves with delay, bits and pieces like that. Okay, then you play the tracks, practice, have fun with those, and if you want to record what you've been doing, then you click on the record button here. Okay, and that will then, when you go back to the home screen, be stored up here where it says recordings. Okay, so that sort of should answer most of the questions that have come up. You can also obviously click the play along to your own music and go through to your music library and pick any tracks there to play along and add the same effects to. Okay, that's it for the minute. Hopefully we've answered all the questions that have come through so far. Thanks again for doing it and downloading the Time to Play app, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.